On Homestead, there's always something that we can be doing. Just a lot of times they're just little short projects. Troy is usually, you know, working on a lawnmower, changing the oil, or, you know, fixing a wagon, or I'm doing some kind of little repair that only takes, you know, 10, 15, 30 minutes. So I just kind of got a lot of those little things and put them together in this video. And then I also did a little bit of baking. No, I don't do a ton of that in the summertime because it's really hot and gets the house really hot. But I put that in there. Corbin came down and we made some homemade pretzels and also made a homemade pie crust for a chicken pot pie. So anyway, this is just a mix of all kinds of different things. And so I hope you enjoy watching the video. I appreciate you watching. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and you can follow us along on our journey. Thanks for watching. I had a blowout on my little wagon. It's a tire, actually. This wagon's, I don't know how old it is, but I think all the tires are pretty much dry rotted. So I'm going to take it with me and I'm going to try to get some solid tires if I can. If not, I'll just buy some replacement tires. It's always some kind of something you got to repair. Here's one of those little repair jobs that I just keep forgetting about. This is our front area, and this board is popped off, but it's just because it's kind of rotted a little bit, so I need to get a measurement and get a replacement board. And I don't know, I just keep forgetting to do it. So today I remembered, and so I'm just going to measure, cut, put another board on there, and we'll be good. What made me even remember is that we did another project for somebody else, and I had some of these boards left over, and I was thinking, what could I do with some of these leftover boards? And then it hit me, fix your own gate, dummy. All right, let me get some measurements here. Short and sweet, but this project is done. I am making homemade pie crust out of my sourdough starter that I have. And I'm going to make a chicken pot pie. So right now, I gotta roll out the crust in the pan. I've had it chilling for a while, a couple of hours. I've never done this before, just want to go ahead and say that. I have not ever made my own pie crust, so we'll see together how this turns out. Oh, it's still very thick. A little more flour under there. It didn't say how thin to roll it out. guess just enough to fit down in the pie pan. That's probably good. Now if I can get it in there without tearing it up. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but you know, I'll make it work. Said to trim the edges, so just kind of taking those and filling in where the stuff is broken off. But I mean, the best part about a pie is the pie crust, right? So there we go. Like I said, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but ooh, homemade pretzels? What? Yep. We came up to the cemetery today to refresh my dad and grandma's flowers, and it's warm, but there's a really nice breeze, and he's in the shade, and it's just a beautiful day today. All right, we got some homegrown watermelons today. It's officially summer. We went up to the old home place and cemetery, changed out my dad's flowers and all, and like there's still a bunch of family up there, and my uncle, my dad's brother, still grows watermelons. My papa was a watermelon farmer. My dad liked to grow watermelons, and so does my uncle. So we'll be getting into that. There was one that was already cut open and busted, like some crows got in it or something. And so I brought it home to the chickens, and they have already devoured it. Look at that. There's nothing but a little bit of white skin left on there. That's crazy. I think they liked it. Y'all like the watermelon? Y'all liked it? Alright. Well, I'll give you all the leftovers. Last couple of days we haven't really got any rain, so I probably need to water the garden. It's getting pretty warm. I think these green beans are about done. There's a few on there, a few little blooms, but I don't know how much longer they're going to take it. These are the beans that I planted that I got from from Colorado. My sister-in-law gave me. They don't really like the heat. Tomatoes are still doing well. Back here, all these little ones are, I don't know, we get 4 or 5 every day. Squash are doing pretty good. And lots of blooms and lots of little squashes on there. Cucumbers are still doing well. Lots of little baby, cucumbers all over. They're not minding the heat too much. These are the second batch of green beans that I planted, and I'm still getting quite a few off of here. So these are still in good shape. And then most of the rest of that is moms or flowers. It's all looking pretty good still. I'll pull up those green beans probably in the next week or so. And right now we're still getting a lot of tomatoes and cucumbers. And we should be getting squash before too long.